Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix payment failed on Spotify. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into your settings. Once in here you'll see an option for apps and notifications. Tap on it. Now under apps, make sure to click on see all apps. But for example, if you're on iOS, what you will need to do is to go into general and then go into iPhone storage. In here you'll see all of your apps as well. Now either you can scroll to find your Spotify app, or on the top you'll see a search icon. Click on the search icon and you can search for Spotify. Now once you've opened the app, here you'll see a storage section. Click on storage, and then all you'll have to do is to click on clear cache to clear the cache files. But if you're on iOS, make sure to click on offload app, and then you'll have to click on reinstall app. Now what this does is that it clears the error files and updates your Spotify to the latest version, and you might have to sign in once again into your account and see if it works. If this doesn't work, then you can try double checking your information of your debit or credit card, as most of the time what happens is that you have written the wrong number, and for example sometimes you do not have enough money in your bank account, so make sure you have the sufficient funds. Also make sure to check the expiration date on your card, because most of the time people forget to check this, so make sure that your card is not expired. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.